Encanto makeup looks are so charming, aren't they? Because the movie itself is absolutely fascinating. And today we're going to do a tutorial for one of these looks inspired by Isabela Madrigal. And no, it's not this look, it's a lip art tutorial inspired by both of her dresses. And as for this look, you can find the tutorial in YouTube Shorts, and also the purple, pink and ombre lip has a separate tutorial on my channel in case you'd like to see it more in detail. And also I feel like I dressed the right way for Isabela Madrigal's rebellious side. I mean, like the blue and the bright patterns. Yes, I did that on purpose, yes. But the tutorial is going to be about a lip art, and I already did the Mirabel Madrigal lip art tutorial. That one was a bit more complicated. I mean, it's not very hard to understand what's going on there if I break it into steps like I will do now and like I did there. However, there were a lot of small details, which is a bit tedious and requires a lot of work, so I intentionally kept the Isabela's tutorial more simple, so that if you are a beginner, if you don't have a lot of experience in lip art, it will be easier for you to recreate, and if you're experienced, I think you will find it to be no problem at all. Let's see how it's done. First, apply the light purple lipstick, like a light lilac, but not over all of your upper lip, but over the major part, and add a tiny bit of pink, light pink, in one of the corners and blend them together to imitate her lilac dress, which was kind of a little bit lilac but also a little bit pink. And then draw the flowers. They're very small, so they don't have to be super elaborate. They're just like little sticks that you are painting in white, baby blue and a reddish pink, like 5 sticks for each. Place them a little bit randomly like they were on her dress, and then draw a couple of wavy lines with a white liquid lipstick, and then with the same brush blend this line on one of the sides. This is to imitate the ruffles on her dress that she was wearing as Señorita Perfecta, when she was the perfect girl. And then for the lower lip, we're going to do the rebellious dress. So apply the blue liquid lipstick as the base of her dress, which was blue with bright splatters. And for the splatters, take the lime, yellow and orange liquid lipsticks and first, apply them slightly over the blue. They can be see-through, it's okay, they're splatters. And then, to intensify the splatter where you want it to be non-transparent, just take that one with more product on it and kind of tap it, dab it, This way you will get the splatters really easily without much effort. Then after that, if you want your lip line to be perfect, just carve your lips with a tapered brush and a foundation. Don't forget to blend the foundation, into your skin right here. Or in case you're not using any foundation at all, just use that tapered brush with a makeup remover. Et voila, here is Isabela. I think it's really her. The top lip is her perfect dress and the bottom lip is her rebellious dress. Let me know in the comments if this is easy or hard to recreate, and if you would like simpler lip art tutorials in the future, on the contrary, something with more work put into it, with more details, something more elaborate, and I will try to come up with something. In the meantime, you can browse all the ideas that I have so far in my lip art playlist. See you there! Bye!